guys, I bought a lot of pipes already, so for plumbing. So they are all Atlanta. They called it Atlanta. So different kind of sizes. 30 mil. 30. So foreman is asking how much is all, and I told him it's almost 30. A lot of pipes. Pipe for the electricity, pipe for plumbing. So that's a lot. So as October 22, they're starting to put some plumbing to go underneath the rooms, to go all the way those bathroom upstairs. As this time they have also chance to put the four posts for the back. So they will just put pour a concrete over there and to make it finish the four posts for the back side. This is the one that helping to hold also this upper beam. We'll start the finishing downstairs. Although upstairs not yet all finished. So plastering plus some plumbings to do it with this one. So at the moment they're pouring now concrete for that window. They're forming the front of the window. We call it T-piece here in the Philippines, so I don't know in other countries. So as October 24, I think, yeah, we're doing outside a downstairs. I asked them to do downstairs, do those form for the window front. And still continuing the plastering inside. Now they done plastering inside, but not yet the finishing of these windows. Plastering of the windows, I mean, to make it, you know, plastered, totally plastered. But inside is almost done. Most of the wall. And now they're trying to put also form for this on the window. We called it here in the Philippines, it's T-piece. They called me T-piece, but it's like a hang something for the side of the window. So one of them is already done this morning. So that is the work for today. So this one. So it's more on plastering inside. And also some electrical are already set up. Later, maybe hopefully next week, if they done the plastering, then we'll go on flooring now. The plumbing also set up. We're on plumbing. So also in the other side they also do the plumbing as well. So little by little we have done some work. So foreman is the one who's doing the plumbing with the assist of assistant Nelson. Oh yeah, and this is the master of mixing.